A home should reflect the people who live in it, welcoming, functional, and full of life. But for this family in the Landings, their kitchen just wasn't keeping up. They dreamed of a space that was not only beautiful, but also perfect for entertaining, cooking, and gathering with loved ones. With a vision for something unique, they turned to kitchen design solutions. The result? A breathtaking transformation. Warm walnut tones blend seamlessly with crisp white cabinetry, creating a space that feels both modern and timeless. A spacious island anchors the room, offering not just storage, but a place to connect, a place where morning coffee conversations and lively dinner parties come to life. Our new kitchen transformation has made us more willing to entertain, the family shared. We feel so proud when our neighbors say, "What an amazing kitchen you have." Every detail was carefully crafted to fit their lifestyle, ensuring that form and function work effortlessly together. Now their kitchen isn't just a place to prepare meals, it's the heart of their home. At Kitchen Design Solutions, we're honored to help families bring their dream kitchens to life, one transformation at a time.